Problem-solving skills. The new age skill. It was once stated by Steve Jobs that everyone in this country should learn how to program because it teaches you how to think. 74% of the parents in a recent study said that computer science is one such subject that they believe should kids learn all throughout the year. Did you know scientists solve issues by developing hypotheses and testing these one by one? Similarly, a coder twists parts of his code, an element at a time, to see which one resolves the problem. Coding in easier terms means to feed our commands in computers in a language it understands. This way the computer can perform the task. How does it help your kid to develop problem-solving skills? If kids are able to code, they develop a great perspective of problem-solving. It can be challenging in the beginning. But with coding, your child can learn to fix and try in different ways to resolve the problems. It can also help in equipping the ability to work on the problem until solved. This skill of problem-solving technique is applicable in many fields.